All right, so since I'm doing 3 slices of turkey bacon, all right, for my Monday through Friday, so I'm going to cook 15 of these so I can have 3 for every morning. So I use a griddle. I could slice them on here, try and get as much as I can, 15. And the rest I'm just going to store for next week, put in a Ziploc bag or put a container, and then I can use for next week. All right, I'm doing 2 eggs, whole eggs, with breakfast. 2 whole eggs, 3 slices of turkey bacon, and a half a cup of cream of rice. So if I'm doing 2 eggs, I'm doing 10 whole eggs. I'm cooking one time. So then I'll just split this up into five different meals, 2 eggs each meal. So I'll cook it all in bulk instead of doing it one. All right, so now because I'm doing 2 whole eggs, all right, a whole egg, 1.75 is the weight of a large egg, cooked egg. But because I have 2, I have 3.5 ounces. I put on ounces. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get 5 of these containers that I have here. I'm going to put 3.5 ounces in each of these containers. The great thing is when using the same container, I can just place it on there and keep going. So that's why getting the same container is very, very helpful to make the process easier when you're just duplicating the same. All right, so now I have my eggs measured. That's 3.5 ounces. I have 3 strips of my turkey bacon. Now I'm going to add my last cream of rice. So the cream of rice is already made. So I'm going to 3/4 of a cup. So all I got to do is just fill this up, dump it in here, fill this up, dump in each one, and that will complete my, right? So I have a cup, I have 3/4 cup. I just put it here, slam it, good to go. I'm going to do that with the rest of my meals. All right, I got breakfast all together. So I have 3/4 cup of cream of rice. I have 3 slices of turkey bacon, and I have 2 whole eggs. Got 5 meals for the container. I'm good for the next 5 days.